How to add screen record button on your iPhone. If you swipe down from your top, you can see screen record button are available. If you don't have, then how can you add that? Go to your setting first and scroll down and go to control center. Press on it and you see my screen record already in. If I want to remove it, just press remove, then scroll down, you don't able to see it. So how can I add it again? Scroll down and screen record, you have to press on plus button and screen record is again added here. I want to up it little bit higher and swipe down your, this is it. This is how you can easily add screen record on your iPhone. Thank you.